So ano daw ang patriarchy? So this comes from the Greek word patriarchis, which means the rule of the father. So it is a social system where men primarily hold power in the political and private sphere. So mga tatay na nagtatrabaho. So before, women are not, men and women are not equal. Men are born to be ano tawag sila nag-income. They are the breadwinners. So, they are regarded highly. So, in terms sa ating organizational church sa community, men have the power, right? Before, wala din ang babae. Panggalay lang din kita kahit inukon. Oh. We have no voice in the society. Wala. Unlike today, no? My teacher, my doctor, my mayor, my congressman, sa tola. Wala na ba ang babae? Huwag lang din mo kanya kagulit sa balay. Kagulit sa balay ka man. Tapos sa bata. Okay. So, this means that in the social system, society is organized and maintained in a way that men rule over women and their children. In the social, legal, political, and economic spheres, men are expected to obey and are regulated to account. Regulated the house chores and bearing children. Kaya kung ng panahon, ang mga mama natin ay may tag-isang dosenang anak. Ay kanawin ni tatay, iyon. After 9 months, magbata. After ilan, busong na po. So, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Mo kami sir, ganit kami. Ang gap ni nanay sa amon, kito pa kami ha. Siya nilay sa mga tawa. Ang gap niya sa amon, every 2 years.